Rippy, I just arrived here at the Portland show the last week of August, the 55th annual, largest in the world gas engine show. I remember this van from last year. The guy had some impressive stuff. Well, we'll walk around there. I accidentally erased all my film, so I'm starting over again. This is his pit bike, this guy, on the corner, checking out the pedal tractors. This guy's at 50 bucks. I'm shopping for Weed Whacker. Don't remember seeing, okay, it is just one-wheel drive, but just a kind of a unique Cushman. The guy, he has his ghetto cruiser. Is that a Shaw? Hit miss galore. Some of the most unique pedal tractors you've ever seen in your life over here. I'm not even exaggerating.
At 10 o'clock, about 5 minutes from now, we're going to start a big engine intro by the association.
Here comes the sun. It's about 10 o'clock. The 4020 in yellow industrial. 2 crawler tractors up top over here. I mean, you had combines, a Case quad track, a Barbie. Case galore, international, the crawlers up on the nose, and the mini mows. Color coordinated Chevy John Deere truck. Woohoo! We're here at Portland. I parked my automobile out there. I didn't ride the bike this year. Oh, he has a Versatile up in the front of this one. Wonder if they made them at the Fargo plant too. And then there was a Ford Wolf, the Versatile, and an International, and Steiger was at Fargo. Can only film one side at a time. Spirit of 76, and that's the patriotic one for that. That was a fun year. Very collectible. And then another one over here. Case would bring out their special paint jobs, wouldn't they? And very cool. I like the original color one too. Like them all. The 55 Chev, but a 747 big bow there for the big boy. A cock shut. All right. I used to have a guy subscribe to me from the Cock Shut Club. A couple drop down trailers. The low boys. Here's the quad track. See if we got the patio series of the John Deere lawnmowers in pedal form. Wow, he's pulling doubles with that pickup. Incredible. And this guy's pulling doubles too. Aluminum on the back. Combines. Something up here. He's taking pictures of them too. Oh, a track. Rubber track tractor and pedal. Wow. Couple unique ones here. Left it original. If he would redo it, it would take away from the value. Does that one look familiar? Like a workhorse. Workmaster. Ford had them. And some pretty cool Fords up here to the 5000 and 9000. So learning about tractors. Oh wow. Oh yeah, there's Fords there, yeah. The 6000. Man. I better redo this film and get this Texaco guy in here again. Maybe we'll see him over at the auto auction Labor Day. The Texaco collectors. The M37 Dodge. A Lodestar over here. And then a Jeep with a plow and a PTO, which our City of Columbus had a fleet of them. And they used them to plow streets, whatever. Very versatile. And my neighbor just acquired 2 Roxor Jeeps, and We'll see how much work we can do with those. But that was the idea with them, and then they all rusted out. The wheel works guys here, and then there should be 4 times as much here. It's a little sparse here, but I think just from kicking the tires and walking in, it looks like the vendor area back here is packed, and today's Thursday, so that'll be a different ball game, and I don't even know what I'm talking about yet. So beautiful wheel horses. Here's this guy here is very unique. Simplicity branded, and a multiple use. Looks like cast aluminum, almost knockoff of a Gravely. Who was making Simplicity? I don't know. And they made other ones over in Bradley, Illinois, and things. Check out how beautiful. This is his ghetto cruiser over here. Beautiful. White, 64 white. But yeah, checking out the nice restored Continental flathead in here. Multi-fuel. 24 volt. Communications on this one. And just enjoying the show here. The world's largest and everything. Portland, Indiana, guys. Beauregard Rippy, thanks for watching. Portland.